appearance of yellowish spot due to deficiency, or due to loss of chlorophyll from a particular part of the leaf or stem. So that is known as the chlorosis. Okay, this is one of the symptoms. This is one of the various symptoms of the viral diseases of plant. Now let us see the next. Now let us see the next symptom. The next symptom is known as the necrosis. Necrosis. What is necrosis? Define the term, Nidhi. What is necrosis? Tarannum, I have already discussed the term necrosis.
Dead tissue in India.
I am not. Your audio is not very clear.
Yes, sir.
What is? How will you define Tarannum? How will you define necrosis? Deepak, Chandni, define the term necrosis. What is necrosis, Nidhi?
Sir, dead tissue area.
अरे डेड टिश्यू होता है, लेकिन पूरा अच्छा से डिफाइन करो.
Dead tissue area and black spots. Sir, I'm not remembering.
This is I am very much surprised that this topic has been taught in the very beginning of the commencement of your classes. I think that you are not remembering or revising the topic which have been taught. Let me define. Necrosis is defined as the appearance of brown spot, brown or dark brown spot on the leaves due to drying of the tissue in the infected area. जो infected areas हैं वहां पर के टिश्यू जो ड्राई अप हो जाएंगे और वहां पर कैसा अपीयर होगा कलर का, ब्राउन और डार्क ब्राउन स्पॉट अपीयर होता है लीफ पर. दैट अपीयरेंस द brown or dark brown spot on the leaves and due to drying of the infected tissue, due to drying of the tissues at the infected area of the leaf or the stem, that is known as the necrotic spot. And you are right, Nidhi, in the sense that you have used the term the dead tissue. Yes, if the necrotic spots consist of the dead cells, not cells. And due to presence of the dead tissues in the infected area, this area is known as the necrotic spot. Necrotic. So this is known as necrosis. Now let us discuss the other 8 differences of the viral diseases of plants. And in the very simple definition I have written on the whiteboard for you. I will also upload a note on the viral symptoms of the viral disease. But look at the whiteboard and see the. Here. This is the chlorosis. Chlorosis, appearance of yellow spot due to the loss or deficiency of chlorophyll in that particular area. Necrosis. Necrosis is defined as the appearance of brown. Necrosis is defined as the appearance of brown spot due to death and ultimate drying of the tissues in the infected area. This is called necrosis. Now look at the third very important symptom which you have already studied in your BSc Part 1 and in the present semester 4. This is the mosaic, appearance of alternate yellow and green patches on the leaf. Appearance of only yellow spot on the leaf is known as the chlorosis. But in case of mosaic, appearance of yellow and green patches on the leaves constitute the symptom, and that symptom is the mosaic. Okay, now let us see the fourth symptom. Fourth symptom is the curling, twisting of the leaf. Twisting of the leaf. When leaves if the infection of the virus takes place in the plant, what will happen? The leaf will undergo twisting, and the leaf will become twisted. And this twisting of the leaf is known as the curling. Okay. And the very excellent example of the leaf curl of papaya. You might have heard about the leaf curl of papaya. Curling. What happens? The twisting of the leaf will take place. What is the next symptom? Is the roll. The fifth symptom is the rolling. The leaf gets rolled up. The leaf the infected leaves appear to have undergone the rolling to form. As you make a roll of the paper, similarly the leaf will undergo rolled. The leaf will get rolled up to form a tubular structure, and that symptom is the rolling of the leaves. ठीक है, leaf roll of papaya and leaf curl of papaya are two different diseases. Now let us look at the another symptom, which is the ring spot. Ring spot, appearance of chlorate in case of ring spot, which is also a very important symptom of the viral diseases of the plant. In which what happens in case of ring spot, appearance of chlorotic and necrotic, both chlorotic. In case of ring spot, both chlorotic and necrotic rings are present on the leaves and the fruits. You will find the presence of chlorotic and necrotic rings on the surface of the leaf infected by the virus. Such ring spot may also appear on the fruit. Now let us see the seventh symptom, which is known as the vein clearing. What is vein clearing? Vein clearing is defined as the disappearance of chlorophyll. Disappearance of chlorophyll along the veins of the leaf. You know that the leaves have the midribs, vein and veinlets. So if there is a loss of chlorophyll along the vein, अगर वेन के दोनों किनारे पर क्लोरोफिल अगर एब्सेंट हो जाए, क्लोरोफिल की डिफिशियंसी हो जाए, लॉस हो जाए, तो इस तरह के सिम्टम्स को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? वेन क्लियरिंग कहते हैं. What is the vein clearing? To define the term vein clearing, vein clearing is defined as the disappearance of the chlorophyll along the veins of the leaf. So this is called the vein clearing. The very simple symptom is known as yellowing. Yellowing means, what is the difference between chlorosis and yellowing? In case of chlorosis, the entire leaf does not become yellow. But in case of yellow, if you use the term yellowing as a symptom, what will happen? Complete disappearance. So in case of yellowing, there is complete disappearance of chlorophyll from the leaves. If there is complete loss of chlorophyll from all part of the leaf, you will have to use the term yellowing. If there is no complete loss, rather here and there is presence of white yellow spot due to loss of chlorophyll, you will have to use the term chlorosis. Now let us see the ninth symptom, dwarfing. Dwarfing means if the viral, in some cases, when the virus infect the plant, the growth of the plant is stunted and the plant will become dwarf. And this symptom is known as dwarfing of plant, or stunted growth will take place. Now the 10th symptom is the crinkling. What is the crinkling? Crinkling stands for, you may use the term wrinkling or crinkling. Crinkling, so sometimes crinkling, if the viral infection takes place in the plant, in some cases crinkling has been reported. Crinkled appearance of the leaves or the stem. Crinkling stands for, you can use the synonymous term, the wrinkling of the leaves or the infected part will take place. That symptom is known as the crinkling. So there are altogether there are 10 common symptoms of the viral disease of the plant, which include the chlorosis, necrosis, mosaic, curling, rolling, ring spot, vein mosaic, yellowing, dwarfing and crinkling. और हम अभी आपको डिफरेंस ये बताएं कि what is difference between chlorosis and yellowing. If there is complete loss of chlorophyll from all part of the leaf, the term yellowing will be used. If there is appearance of yellow spot here and there on the leaf, the term chlorosis. Necrosis में क्या होता है? Appearance of brownish spot होता है due to death and ultimate drying of the tissues in the infected area. Mosaic में क्या होता है? Alternate presence of yellow and green patches on the leaf. Curling में क्या होता है? Of leaf takes place. The leaf gets rolled to form tubular structure. Ring spot होता है both the appearance of necrotic and necrotic. Ring takes place on the appearance of the veins. This is called vein clearing. Yellowing देख चुके. Dwarfing में क्या होता है? Stunted growth होता है. Crinkling में झुर्रियां पड़ने लगती हैं. ये wrinkled leaf appear होंगे. These are the 10 symptoms of the viral diseases of the Am I clear to you, Tarannum? Hello.